Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Magandang umaga rin.
Alam ko po sa parada, after the parade, magkikita-kita nga dito. Pero mas maganda yung informal na nagkita-kita po tayo because of the activity this morning. You just have witness yung ating one of the pride of Bataan, the first runner-up of Miss Universe, si Janine. At sinalubong po natin at nagkasabay-sabay nga po yung ating activity. Nonetheless, sa ating organizers ng ating NBI homecoming, congratulations for the very successful first day, launching of the homecoming ng ating mga alumni. I was talking with my uncle last night, magkasama kami si Chairman Tong. Sabi ko sa kanya, uuwi tayo ng 1 o'clock. Sasama ka ba ako sa parada? Kasi alumni ka ng NBI. Sabi niya, I have a meeting at 7 o'clock. Pwede ba ikaw magmarcha para sa akin? Sabi ko sa kanya, ako sasalubong sa Miss Universe, ikaw ang magmarcha. Nonetheless, due to the unforeseen schedule of Chairman Tong, I think he will be joining later sa Balanga during your affair na I think you have a party or dance party sa Balanga. So until the following day sa La Vista, in behalf of the municipality of Dinalupihan, of course it is my pleasure and honor to welcome all our balikbayans, including our kababayan who are once upon a time. Kaya po once upon a time, your school is part of the history of Bataan. Pero po, ang ginawa po natin for the information of the group, there is a building there sa formerly NBI. Due to, of course, the situations that nawala po ang NBI, hindi naman natin hinayaan na mawala yung NBI. Ang ginawa po natin, pinayagan po natin any educational institution, either a private or public, na magtatayo po doon. So right now, the same site of NBI will be used by St. John ngayon, but with an agreement po ang pangalan ng whatever it is, St. John Academy, formerly Northern Bataan Institute, will be retained on the same site para po meron kayong tinuturo na diyan ako nag-graduate sa school na yon. Medyo bago na nga lang yung building. No? But it's still the same site. So, sa ating pong lahat, welcome. We hope the activity from today until tomorrow will be very, very successful. At yung alam ko po, kahapon yung iba, sabi nga, since 1988, that is the last year that they went home. Some is 1985. But then, alam po ninyo, you have seen Dinalupihan before and you have seen Dinalupihan now. It is because of your trust, confidence, and support that we have now Dinalupihan as one of the competitive municipality, not only in the province of Bataan, but the entire Philippines. Tayo po ang one of the competitor sa lahat ng rehiyon sa buong Pilipinas because tayo po ngayon ay isa sa nagda-download, isa sa faculty na nagbibigay ng mga programa para sa iba-ibang munisipyo. Tayo po, dito po sila nag-o-observe kung ano-ano yung mga po pwede nilang gawin para from the third class, ma-upgrade din nila into first class municipality. And hopefully, soon enough, once we have reach our target, we will be converted into a city. So sa inyo pong lahat, magandang umaga and again, welcome.
So yan po, narinig nyo ang mensahe ng